Hey guys, I put a lot of effort into my videos, and only a small percentage of you are actually subscribed. So if you like the video, please subscribe. It helps out a lot, and it's totally free. And if you don't like the video, or don't like the content in general, you can always unsubscribe. Enjoy the video. Oh, hello Nintendo fans, my name is Mario Master. What are we doing today? So, still have a stuffy nose. My throat's not as sore as it used to be. But hey, welcome to Teardown! Now, if you know anything, if you know anything about me, you know I like destroying things and blowing shit up. And, that's what this game is all about. It's about, breaking things and just blowing shit up. So, I'm hoping to have a pretty good time here. Um, oh god, now I do need the fucking audio. There we go. Oh. I go in the water. This is very cool. I like the blocky feel, you know? Giving me major Minecraft vibes. And that's okay. I like Minecraft. Hold right click. Ah, that's very cool. Go inside. Hold object. Yeah, get a foot. I'm inside it. Oh yeah. I'm very tiny. Nice car here. What's wrong with it? Oh. Well, for I just lifted a whole ass car. How strong am I? Sledgehammer, hell yeah. Spray can. Okay, moving on. Place fuse. Turn on power. You got it, boss. It's had that in my ass. Oh. Gas bill. Gas bill just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Are you getting any requests? At this point, we pretty much had to accept anything. Be creative. Old building problem just came through. Sounds kind of fishy, but we need the money. You up for it? Good evening. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, take it. This is very cool. Play. And for some reason, when I see people play this game, they only play it for like a very short amount of time. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Ooh. Let's not hit it, shall we? Boom. Yeah, big explosion, motherfucker. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. I would like to drive. Woo! Oh my god. Coming in, motherfucker! Yeah! Fuck! Yeah, fuck you! No, fuck you! I'm not putting out any fucking fire. Oh god. Um, you know what? No, fuck it. That is not my issue. That is not my problem. I don't want it. Is that like a required thing that I'm gonna have to do? Fine. Put out the fire. You're no fun. It's very cool. Eh. Fuck. Fuck it. I'm just gonna explode everything. Yup. Okay, we did it. Woo! Get to the escape vehicle. Yeah, fuck you. I don't know what the world record is for that shit. Probably like a second. That's a good idea. Whee! Huh, what a morning. Shouldn't have taken that job. I knew something wasn't right. The building was under cultural heritage protection, and the demolition is now part of criminal investigation. This gentleman at the police just sent me this photo. They may have caught you on a traffic camera heading towards the mall. The very last thing we need right now is an investigation. I tried sweet talking her. Blah blah blah. Hmm. Just so you know, I don't usually do this, but I'm stuck on a case. I feel like I should try something new. I've been investigating Lawrence Lee Jr. over tax evasion for months now, but he has so many friends in town that I can't get a warrant. How about you use your skills to borrow the computers over at least chemicals? Sure, fuck it. Let's do it. Yeah, yeah, I'll do it. If it keeps me out of jail, fuck it, I'll do it. Yeah. Oh. Ain't producing anything on my fucking watch. I don't give a shit. Yeah, okay. Tab, where's our next target? In here? Let's do it, boys. Whee! Oh. That wasn't even the right place. What am I doing? I'm just breaking shit. Whee! Where's this one? In here. No, come on, get in there. Well, they ain't getting it out. Woo! Yeah, go fuck yourself. Just gets fucking sniped. Well, I broke a bunch of their shit, so is that good? The customer registry indicates that Lee has worked almost exclusively with a single client recently. The client is only referred to as BT and no further details. So I really have to bother you with one more favor. Head back to Lee Chemical, infest your employee, login devices. I should be able to cross references. Be careful. They installed a new security system. That's fine. New security system, I don't give a shit. One thing they can't do is block their way in. Ow, that did not go to plan. Oh well, you know what? It kind of worked. Ow, bitch. Trying to get like a really good way out because I feel like this is probably gonna trigger an alarm. Okay, I'm not insinuating that I've stolen anything before, but god damn it, my explosives just fell again. Okay, wait, hold on. Oh fuck! Oh god! They'll never find me. Fuck, the cops are here. Okay, pick up. So, pick up the thing, go bam, run across here, bam, tab, this. These out of my way. That in there. Okay. Okay. Whew. Let's do it. Fuck. That ruins it. I ruined it. Fuck. I knew I was gonna fuck up that jump. Fuck, come on. No! Oh, dude. Goddamn. Okay, I gotta think of a better way to get on the thing. Okay. jump here, bam, bam, jump in here, take that. Are these explosive? No. Fuck. Are there any hydrogen tanks anywhere? I think there are in here. Okay. It's gonna make that jump a little bit easier. Okay. Get up there, get in there. How do I leave? Well, I'm answering that question with this truck. On! Here we go! Ugh. I have a pretty good setup. Let's not fuck it up. I jumped too goddamn far. I was afraid of that. Whatever. Whatever. It's fine. Damn, okay. Let's go! Fuck that truck. I could have optimized my path. I needed to make it so I could actually fucking do some shit. Huh? Blowtorch. Okay, cool. I can lift like. Oh my god! We turned off the gas. I can't make a proper coffee anymore. We really need to bring in more clients. I'll reach out to Gordon. And something else. Mariana, too small. Thanks for helping me out with that building. The police were snooping around a little, but it seems they to have cooled off for now. We can finally start construction. I actually have another job for you. See, I bought this yacht recently, but it's too large for the Mariana. But and a board says that there's no space for a new dock. You need demolition skills to remove one. Sure, fuck it. That's a bit. That's a big explodey truck. Can I drive the big explodey truck? Oh, okay. Tab. What? I just randomly like slammed into that wall. Shit. Okay. If you go to this wall in the Mariana mission, there's like 250 bucks under the stairs. That's pretty cool. Oh, okay. Come on, big boy, we're coming. No. Yeah. We're gonna move the whole fucking truck. I want to open it. Okay. Apparently, in the Mariana mission, if you go under the stairs in both houses, there's like 250 bucks. That's pretty cool. Ah. Oh yeah, sick drift, bro. Oh, that thing's going. That thing's fucking going. Fucking up your shit. Oh, well. Turn this baby around. There we go. Okay, we're coming around for round fucking two. Here we go. Turn this bitch around. Oh god. She's a wide ass bitch. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I can't take my fucking car, can I? Disappointing. Okay, I'm pretty sure I can just scale up this mountain. Oh shit! Okay. I found like a bunch. Okay. So, under the two. Is there one in here? No. Fuck you. Bitch. I'm out. There, I stole a bunch of shit and practically made a grand. So I'm pretty happy about that. Why am I fucking on the roof? Oh. Eh. No. No. Aw. It's okay. Fantastic work! Yeah! That thing came up. There's a car auction. Ooh. Hell yeah. I like this game. What do they expect? It's called fucking teardown, and your entire goal is to break and blow up shit. I legit said, oh my fucking god, yes. You look quite nice. Oh, I see. Fuck, I don't know where the second one is. Come on. Let's go. Fuck. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Wait, wait, wait. Hold on, wait. I didn't think about this. Oh god. Wait, no. Hold on. Wait. I didn't think about this. No, come on. Don't do this to me. No, don't do this to me. You're fucking doing this to me. Are you serious? No, come. Fuck me, dude. I didn't fucking save either. Have fun editing, Eric. God fucking damn it, the van fucked me. Here we go. Try again. Here we go. Up. Just gotta get there. Come on. You can do it. I believe in you. There! My god. Jesus H. Christ. That one was difficult. Wasn't that difficult? I just didn't save. New rank, new tool delivered, her fucking Ray. What is it? Let me the fuck in. I don't care if I just face to the goddamn wall. Ugh. A gun! Oh my fucking god! was not expecting that, okay? Sledge. Short range tool. Causes medium damage, weak on weak materials, does not need ammo, and does not wear out. Sledge. Spray can. Make marks in the environment useful to help planning an intended fire extinguisher. Blowtorch. Oh my god. I can have a gun. Let's see. Really don't know me, but I've had a series of break-ins recently. In the last one, I lost two very rare classic cars, and guess what? I know who did it. Gordon Wu. The absolute prick is now bragging to everyone at the club about his two new fave possessions. The break-in caused me a lot of property damage, and I like to let Gordon taste some of his own medicine. Since you're in the demolition industry, I thought, well, I don't know if you do this sort of thing, but let me know if you sound interested. Ooh, that would be cool. Gee, I've been up all night digging through the login devices and managed to find a connection to the West Point Marina. I haven't been able to figure out more on BT, but Lee has a warehouse in West Point. I guess whatever fishy business he is up to, the marina is not the final destination. I thinking a boat GPS device can give me an idea where he is moving the product, especially if I could compare their recent destinations to the shipping log. Can you get them for me? Well, I sure will in the next episode. So, I bought two cars at an auction just a few days ago. This weekend, Leak Chemicals is celebrating the 75-year anniversary of completing. No, that's mine. Oh my fucking god. Okay, anyway, this game is fun. Um, I will 100% be returning to Teardown. So, thank you everybody so much for watching. If you would like to see more of Teardown, please let me know in the comments below. I certainly enjoyed myself. This game, I knew I was gonna like. It's about breaking and blowing up shit. My favorite things. So yeah, I knew that I was gonna like this game. So yeah, if you guys want to see more of Teardown, let me know in the comments below. Um, if you want to see uh, I don't fucking know. Anyway, thank you everybody so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out my Twitter, Discord, and Patreon. Linked in the description below. Patreon is $1 a month. I do extra videos, and I have a semi-plan for the next Patreon video. So, if you want to look into that, maybe look into subbing to the Patreon. Once again, only $1 a month. And go check out the Lonely Boys podcast. A brand new podcast was just uploaded last night. So go check that out. It's kind of long, kind of stupid. Lonely Boys podcast. Check it out. So once again, thank everybody so much for watching. If you have any game suggestions, also leave them in the comments below. And yeah, that's it. Peace.